the north and east of Europe. In fact, in this country we saw temperatures no higher than about -6 degrees up at Aberdeen Airport, where there's still 19 centimetres of snow lying. Many places then below freezing up in the northeast of Britain, but up to 10 degrees at Penzance, where the sun came out following a band of rain during the afternoon. Now tonight we're going to find the lowest temperatures probably this evening. In actual fact, the lowest temperatures will be about -8 degrees in the next couple of hours. A touch of frost though, and some icy roads as far south as the North Midlands, whereas in the southwest it's already that bit milder, as you've seen already. And most places will turn a little bit less cold as the night goes on. Very little ice left in fact by tomorrow morning, except there is another problem, and that's some sleet and snow moving northeast across the country even now. We can see that on the radar screen here. Plenty of rain which is readily turning to sleet and snow as colder air undercuts this band of rain as it moves across the country. So it is going to be particularly nasty, I think, through this evening and tonight over the North Midlands, up through northern England, southern Scotland, as that snow moves away. I think most of it will have turned back to rain, in fact, by tomorrow morning, but hanging on up in the northeast of England and in central and eastern Scotland until tomorrow morning. Clear weather following on behind for a while, but then turning very misty once again, especially up on the hills. And then, as you can see here, another band of wind and rain approaching Western Ireland by tomorrow morning. And that's the reason for that, this weather system here, which is moving in across the country. It'll push in fairly steadily with a very strong wind connected to it. But tomorrow morning starting off pretty grey in many places for all sorts of reasons. Even a little bit of rain and sleet still over central and eastern parts of Scotland and down that Northumbrian coast. The sun will break through just here and there, but I think sunshine will be pretty limited tomorrow. And this band of rain moving in across Ireland into western parts of England and Wales, covering much of Scotland as well through the afternoon, and again turning to snow, particularly up in the uplands. Out in the west though, through Ireland, it should brighten up again in the afternoon, but staying pretty breezy. Well, temperatures not all that inspiring, are they? But after recent times, that's not bad, is it? Less cold day rather than a milder day, but it probably will feel fairly mild out in the west here, with most places staying about 5 degrees in the east, up to 8 or 9 degrees out in the west. Now, as we go through Friday and into the weekend, high pressure again asserting itself from the east, so freezing fog again is going to be a bit of a problem at night. Staying pretty cold on the eastern side of the country, but